You're watching FlipTV News. A major step towards the Osun 2026 governorship race took place today as the immediate past Deputy Governor Benedict Olugboyega Alabi, popularly known as BOA, appeared before the APC Gubernatorial Screening Committee in Abuja. The screening held at the APC National Secretariat is part of preparations ahead of the party's primary election. Alabi, one of the leading aspirants, formally engaged with the party officials as he continued his bid to secure the party's ticket. After the session, Boa expressed deep appreciation to the committee for what he described as their dedication to transparency and internal democracy. He praised their commitment to ensuring a credible selection process for the party in Osun State. Alabi said the screening exercise marks an important milestone in strengthening unity within the APC, noting that the party is focused on presenting its strongest candidate for 2026 election. He reaffirmed his determination to lead Osun State in what he calls a new era of inclusive governance, unity, and progressive development. According to him, Osun is poised for greater heights, with promises of shared prosperity, responsive leadership, and transformative growth. With the backing of the party's member and the electorate, he believes Osun is ready for a future of progress, stability, and prosperity. For more updates on Osun 2026, stay tuned to FlipTV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.